Take your time, maybe.
In my imagination, I search the starlit sky so bright. In my imagination, there I saw you in the light. And then one day I found you. How could I help but realize my lucky star was shining right there before my very eyes. You are my lucky star. I saw you from afar. Two lovely eyes at me, they were gleaming, beaming. I was starstruck. You're my lucky charm. I'm lucky in your arms. You've opened heaven's portal here on earth for this poor mortal. You are my lucky star. You are my lucky star. I saw you from afar. If Garbo is a glamorous creature, you're a four-star feature, though you are never seen upon a movie screen. You are my Sherlock Crawford, Hepburn Harlow, and my Garbo. You are my lucky star.